Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back. Brzezicki Brothers Foreman. We're at the home garage and we're doing tons of work right now. So let me give you a little sneak peek of what we've been doing. We're first doing a little multitasking. Keeping the dog busy. So we got the motor out and we're painting it black. Used to be red like this engine stand. Really didn't look that great. You can see painted black. Stock short block. Here's the black that I'm using, the engine enamel. So we got the heads off right here, all of it off, oil drained. Gotta fill up these jugs so I could take them to the store and dispose of it. Everything's off. It's a mess right now. And this is the engine bay. Ain't in too bad of shape. A little bit of rust right here we'll take care of. And we're just gonna, do a little quick scuff and flat black it out. My dog Kahlua just chilling. Huh? You just chilling? Yeah, it's pretty hot out today in Pittsburgh. So there you have it. I want to give you a little update. I'm painting the motor right now. About to put the new trick flow top end kit together on it later today. We'll have more in the future. So hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Keep on watching. And I'll have plenty more for you. Till next time, fellas. See ya.